As the world grapples with the impacts of climate change and global warming, finding new solutions is becoming more and more pertinent. One promising approach is urban rewilding, which aims to restore natural habitats, offering a potential solution to some of our most pressing environmental and social challenges, bringing nature back to our cities. However, delivering urban rewilding faces significant challenges. Issues related to resource and capacity in government, together with knowledge and potential conflicts of interest, are some of the key concerns holding urban rewilding back. People are also concerned about access and how these wild spaces will fit into urban life. For example, rewilding could change a community's perspective on a space, even raising concerns over perception of safety and rights of access and use. Aesthetic preferences also play a role, as rewilded areas can starkly contrast with traditional landscaping principles. The language of urban rewilding itself can be contentious, often undermining the perceived value and feasibility of ecological restoration in urban areas. If these concerns are not properly addressed, they can further hinder the adoption of rewilding initiatives and diminish their potential benefits. So, how can we implement urban rewilding in a sustainable and accessible way that benefits local communities? Researchers at the University of Gloucestershire and the University of Birmingham, funded by the Reclaim Network Plus, explored the potential and challenges of urban rewilding in the UK. Through focus groups and an online survey of local authorities, the study revealed a growing interest in rewilding and identified opportunities for ecological restoration and recovery. The research offers several practical recommendations for overcoming challenges in implementing rewilding initiatives. One key suggestion is to tailor rewilding projects to specific local conditions, making them more effective, sustainable, and accepted. Unlike traditional parks, which are often neatly maintained, rewilding spaces create lively, natural environments. These wild areas can help combat climate change, improve public health, and boost our connection to nature. The study also establishes principles for how rewilding can deliver important ecosystem services, like better air quality, increased habitats, and more green spaces. In all cases, it is crucial to address local issues when considering rewilding and work closely with local communities to make sure their needs and concerns are met and heard. Rewilding has the potential to play a key role in fighting climate change, increasing biodiversity, and helping us reconnect with nature. By tackling the challenges and embracing the benefits of wild landscapes, local authorities can transform urban green spaces, making them better for both the environment and people. If you want to help create healthier urban environments, consider sharing our research with friends, family, and on social media. For more information, please visit www.reclaim-network.org.